Hi, Autumn. So I agreed to your TED Talk because it saves food and the lives that live in the water. Some ideas that I found that I thought was good were that aquaponics uses 90% less water than traditional farming. Water and nutrients are recycled in a closed loop fashion, which conserves water. Aquaponics protects our rivers and lakes. No harmful fertilizers run off into the watershed. And here's a website that I thought you would be interested in to look at. And I really liked your TED Talk. And this is my response.